Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Ben Doordan. Ben Doordan is the Bumper Safe crew chief. He's a light blue pickup truck with the Bumper Safe logo on his doors and bonnet. In cars, Ben could be seen at the Motor Speedway of the South, coaching Ponchy and his team to win the Dynaco 400. Now, I believe he only released twice. Once in 2010 with him and 3 other pissies, and as a single in 2020. Here's a fun fact about him. He's named after Car's additional set artist, Ben Doordan. Haha, funny pun. Those Pixar for you, isn't it? And here's a little quirk about him. Quirks and features, as Doug DeMiro would say. For some reason, his eye in diecast, his eye colour's blue, but in the artwork, they're brown. Silly Mattel. But you can't expect them to get everything right, can you? Yeah? Screw this. Now let's have a closer look at him. He's the only crew chief of his model to ever be released. I think it was N20 Cola was very close to being released, and I believe he's the same model as this. But please tell me if I'm wrong, okay? As I previously mentioned, Bumper Safe logo on his bonnet, blue eyes, which is supposed to be brown, as I previously mentioned. I think he might be something called. It says on his wiki that he's a lean pickup truck, which I'm assuming means little. But I'll search it up now. Lean pick up. That's not what it says here. Guess the wiki got it wrong. Here we go. As you might not have noticed, the S is actually a $sign. I guess because it's saving your money. As you can see, the number plates read, as you might be able to see, number plate reads LR415. I'm not too sure what that means. And because this was made after 2019, it's a Thailand variant. So, and if you know Thailand variants, you know the decals are a bit grainy. But still, other than that, a very good car. I love him. That's pretty much all there is to say. So goodbye. Look at me, a big fat slob. More than Chinese phone book.